Welcome to Cesare Lomraso, your ultimate guide to law enforcement administration review. In this video, we'll dive into law enforcement administration, 10 items review questions, set 3A, to help you sharpen your legal knowledge, enhance your investigative skills, boost your confidence for your upcoming exams. Are you ready to put your expertise to the test? Challenge yourself with law enforcement questions. Strengthen your understanding of law enforcement administration. Prepare for success in your criminology journey. Don't miss out. Hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on criminology reviews, law enforcement insights, law enforcement administration, and in-depth legal discussions. Let's learn, review, and excel together. Follow justice and justice alone, so that you may live and possess the land the Lord your God is giving you. Deuteronomy 16:20. Welcome to our comprehensive review session. In this video, we'll be tackling a series of multiple choice test questions to help you prepare effectively for your upcoming exam. Stay focused, take notes, and let's work through each question together to strengthen your understanding and boost your confidence. Let's begin our review. Directions: read each item carefully. Select the letter of the best answer from the choices given. Tactical plans involves all but one of the following. A. Community events. B. Attack against a building. C. Arrest of offenders. D. None of these. Patrol officer is said to be the semblance of the patrol officer. Semblance in this statement means A. Backbone. B. Most effective. C. Representation. D. Most popular. Which of the following is the oldest type of patrol? A. Horse. B. Foot. C. Canine. D. Police. Which of the following type of patrol capable for pickup license number of fleeing automobile? A. Horse. B. Television. C. Foot. D. All of these. The act of expelling a squatter by the legal process is called A. Demolition, B. Squadron, C. Eviction, D. Tear down. Which of the following is not a commissioned officer? A. Inspector, B. Senior Superintendent, C. All of these, D. Assistant, Chief. Which of the following words has the same meaning as the word credibility? A. Ability, B. Capacity, C. Vulnerability, D. Believability. Which of these pertains to a letter of directive designed to guide PNP personnel? A. Police appreciation, B. Police operational procedures, C. Police relations, D. None of these. Shire means A. Shine, B. Counties, C. Ruler, D. King. If you are a patrol officer, which of the following is the last action that you are going to do before leaving your beat? A. Take your coffee in the nearest canteen, anyway it is free. B. Buy a pasalubong or your loved ones. C. Make a counterclockwise tour of your beat. D. Conduct a clockwise patrol to your beat. After completing the practice test, let's review your answers using the provided answer key. How is your score based on the answer key? If your correct answers are more than half of the total number of questions, great job. If you did not reach more than half, you may review this video and take another round of the practice test. I can do all things through Christ which strengthened me. Philippians 4:13. This verse emphasizes faith, perseverance, and reliance on God's strength in all aspects of life, including challenges in law, justice, and moral decision-making. It serves as a reminder that with Christ's guidance, we can overcome obstacles, pursue righteousness, and uphold justice with integrity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.